Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if your WhatsApp call is not showing on the display screen in your Samsung device. So if you're facing this problem, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn what you can do if your WhatsApp call is not showing on the display screen.